Hey guys, and welcome to the first ever 2018 Galaxy S9 video, and boy oh boy, we have a lot to talk about. The heart that runs the beast just went official with first of kind features that'll blow you away. But before we get into all that juicy stuff, let's talk about what Samsung is doing to us. They continue to play with our emotions, that sexy no bottom bezel design we saw before. It keeps haunting us everywhere throughout the UI. First up, this image was sent to me by one of my follower on Twitter, and the dude was using the Galaxy A5 2017, and in a separate sound option he saw this, the device that clearly shows a less bottom bezel design. Another image is this, someone sent me on Instagram, so this time in the Notes app you can see we do have that same less bottom bezel design. God, this looks amazing, such perfection. My man SamsungMobile.news found this in his Oreo Galaxy S8, and again, this sexy design with less bottom bezel can be seen. I mean, if this was really scrapped as Ice Universe says, then why do we keep seeing it everywhere? Just today, the Ice Universe tweeted out this: I heard Galaxy S9 looks more beautiful than rendering images. Now, the image he tweeted is the screen protector of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, but he still believes that Galaxy S9 will look beautiful than the renders we currently have. Now, I personally think that Galaxy S9 will mostly look the same as we have seen everywhere. I think this is the finalized design, but I have a theory. What if both of these designs are real? I mean, think about it. What if this less bottom bezel design is only exclusive to the Galaxy S9 Plus, while the normal Galaxy S9 we're going to have just the normal S8 based design? It's clearly a possibility, as the Galaxy S9 Plus is not just a bigger model with bigger battery, it's having more RAM and an extra camera sensor. Think about what Apple has done. The iPhone 8 and 8 Plus came, and after that the iPhone 10, which is completely a new line of product with the biggest design change, and it costs the most. What if Samsung has the same strategy, making the Galaxy S9 Plus a premium lineup option with a new Infinity Design 2.0, dual cameras, more RAM, bigger display, and bigger battery? All this will help Samsung to match the price of the iPhone 10 and at the same time pricing the normal S9 low. They can even name the Galaxy S9 Plus as Galaxy S10 if it really have the design change. As we do know, Apple skipped the number 9 and went to 10, so Samsung can do the same. Instead of calling it Galaxy S9 Plus, they can name it Galaxy S10 to get level with Apple. And later, something that will go even beyond this will be the Galaxy Note 10, and this picture you see is again showing that sexy bottom bezel design, aka Infinity Design 2.0. It clearly resembles the shape of the Galaxy Note 8, so it is believed to be the next Galaxy Note phone. But guys, it's just my theory. This all makes sense. I mean, it can happen since S9 Plus is not just the S9 Plus. It's more than that. It could go S10 if it has that new design change. We actually just know about the model numbers of these phones, and from that we assume that they're going to be called as S9 and S9 Plus. Again, it's just my theory, my thoughts. Just wanted to share it with you guys. I would love to hear what you think. Let me know in the comments below. Also, there's been a ton of clone leaks. Someone made a Galaxy S9 clone, and it does match well on the back. As you can see, the dual camera, the fingerprint scanner right below it. It has that shiny purplish color as well. On the front, it's an absolute mess. I mean, it has pretty big bezels. So as of now, there is no live Galaxy S9 leak or any real live Galaxy S9 leak. Someone actually cropped the thumbnail of my last video, and then all these websites started posting it, thinking that it's the real thing. But it was a concept made by a concept creator, and again, as of now, there is no live Galaxy S9 leak. When it happens, you will be the first to see on this channel. Also, there is no official renders as well. SamsungMobile.news made these renders, and they look pretty realistic, but still, it is a concept based on the leaks, and Android headlines, they started posting it as it was some kind of official promotional material from Samsung. So again, no official stuff on the images yet. Moving on, the heart that runs the beast, Exynos freaking 9810 went official. Samsung says that Exynos 9810 is our most innovative mobile processor yet, with our 3rd generation custom CPU, ultra-fast gigabit LTE modem, and deep learning enhanced image processing will be a key catalyst for innovation in smart platforms such as smartphones, personal computing, and automotive for the coming AI era. It features 4 third-generation custom cores with maximum clock speed up to 2.9 GHz, with another cluster of 4 cores optimized for efficiency. Samsung claims that the single-core performance will be enhanced twofold, while the multi-core performance will be boosted by around 40% compared to the previous Exynos 8895. Right now, the old early prototype score of the Exynos 9810 is not that impressive, so you can expect an improved Geekbench leak soon. Also, it seems like Samsung has scored an equalizer. The Exynos 9810 has a neural engine that can recognize people and objects in photos at a very high speed, and it will enable apps such as Snapchat to use realistic face tracking filters, kind of like the Animojis on the iPhone X. So it also features a separate secure processing unit for handling sensitive personal and biometric data. So thanks to this advanced neural engine, Samsung will be able to make an efficient 3D facial scanner for its future flagship. Now, even with all this 3D facial tech, Samsung will not going to rely on it. They know all of its shortcomings and they always provide users with the most option. So we'll see an improved facial scanner and a better positioned fingerprint scanner on the back of the phone. Along with all of this, they're still working on an under-screen fingerprint scanner solution as well for a future Galaxy flagship. And here are the tech specs. We got 18-core Mali GPU, LTE Cat 6E support with download speeds up to 1.2 Gbps and uploads up to 200 Mbps, high-resolution camera support, and look at that, 4K recording up to 120 frames per second. That is an insane power right there. 4K at 60 FPS is pretty dope, but Samsung has gone 10 steps further with 4K at 120 frames per second. The promotional image for the Exynos 9810 leaks out as well, and it talks about the camera capabilities of this new chipset. It supports up to 4 image sensors, a high-performing dual ISP with ultra-fast autofocus, advanced stabilization, things like noise reduction, the Mosaic Edge Enhancer, face beautification have been drastically improved. You can also see that they're showing the horizontal dual camera for the image, not the vertical camera. Obviously, that will reveal the design, but it doesn't really matter since we already know this. Guys, all in all, this is a monster chipset, and it might be just a little bit better than Qualcomm 845, which will be coming with the US Galaxy S9. Again, we have yet to see the updated performance scores of the Exynos 9810. Also, Samsung's Dex Pad is coming as well. The trademark name Dex Pad is found by Galaxy Club, and the reason why it's called as Dex Pad is that it will allow the phone to be placed flat on the Dex rather than standing up. Also, the screen of the phone will act as a mouse to move around, which I showed you in my Oreo review. It's already happening, so since they named it as Pad, it could offer wireless charging as well. So yeah guys, that's all we have on the Galaxy S9. Samsung is going strong in 2018. They are about to release the Galaxy A8 2018 phones very soon, and you will be seeing them on the channel. There will be full coverage, and as far as the release date for the S9 is concerned, as we know, it is coming at MWC 2018 in February, hopefully to experience the beast firsthand and let you guys know everything. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. How impressed are you from the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus so far? And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.